This elegant infinity bun is simpler to create than you might think. Split your hair into two and gather into a low ponytail. Separate one section and twist slightly to capture all of the hair. Then wrap this section up and around your fingers, holding the remainder of the hair, tucking the section under your fingers as you come around. Continue wrapping this section until you reach the ends. Then insert your hand through your arm to grab the other section of hair and start wrapping this in the opposite direction around your hand and fingers, tucking in the ends. This creates an infinity knot. Using a chignon pin, insert the legs of the pin into the inside of the right hole. Then flip the pin, catching some of the scalp hair. Gently push the pin horizontally through the hair and out the other side of the left-hand hole of the infinity knot, using your fingers as a guide. You can use some small pins, such as magic grip hairpins, to secure any flyaways or shorter layers. An elegant infinity bun on long hair using the split technique and secured with a chignon pin. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.